Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Going Guitar. We have Ninho here featuring Omah. This song is called Bad. So I need to just mention I've catched a cold here, so I try to minimize my speaking here. I'm gonna make this quick and the next coming tutorials here. So yeah, anyway, still working. Let's take a look at Bad here. So we had no need for any cape on this one. We have 4 different chords. Let's go through the chords. So we have first the D minor, that is open D, second G, third B, and first E. C next, so that will be third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. We have the A sharp, and we go with the sus version. We place the bar here on the first fret and bar that first fret. You don't need to bar the last string here, the E string. So 5 strings from bottom up, and then you need to add third on D and third on G. And then we have the final chord, the A. You can go with the A, but also A sus version if that is that much easier for you, then go with that. It still works, but A would be more accurate, so that will be open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. If you go with the sus version, you just lift off the second B to get that open. Everything else is the same. So A or A sus. Let's take a look at this song. So starting with D minor, and it goes in the order we learned the chords. So D minor, C, A sharp, and A. So the D minor first, you're gonna play down, down, up, clap, down. So down, down, up, clap, down. Then you switch to C and play 2 downs, but here, play the first down more on the bass strings, and the next down more on the higher notes there, top strings. So for C, 2 downs total, and then you go to the A sharp, and you play the same strumming pattern as you played for the D minor. And then you stay here with this chord and play the first down still on the A sharp, and then you quickly change to the A or the A sus and play the second and last down here on the A chord. All right, so D minor, down, down, up, clap, down, then C, down, down, then A sharp, down, down, up, clap, down, stay there, and the last 2 downs you start still on the A sharp, and then you switch to A and play the last down there. So slowly it will be one round like this. Alright, so that pretty much covers song called Bad. So thank you for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this, if you enjoyed me still working for you while I'm sick actually, then support me here on Gordon Guitar. And yeah, till next time, guys, play tuned.